Hello everyone, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening. So, welcome everyone to 90 Plus Double Power Tuition, which is the world's first learning assurance model. My name is Anamika and I'm your max tutor at 90 Plus. So, how are you all?
Fine.
Fine. How was your day, by the way? Did you have class today? Anyone? Come on.
No.
No. Nobody had class today? Yes. Okay, so some Vaishnav had class today. All right. Yes, how was your day, all of you? And how was your first week after the school reopened? How did it go? Come on, guys. And one more thing, all of you, please turn your camera on. Please, all of you. Yes. Okay. So there are 12 people here, but only 4 people have turned their camera on. Yes. All right. All right. Okay. So, yeah, tell me, how was your first week after the school has reopened? ഇങ്ങനെ സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ടൊന്നും ഇരിക്കണ്ടായിരുന്നു കമോൺ കുറച്ച് വർത്താനൊക്കെ പറ ഫൈൻ ഓക്കെ so for Vaishnav it was fine great all right then what about others come on ഇങ്ങനെ സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ടൊന്നും ഇരിക്കണ്ട നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ലൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പോണേ കമോൺ പേടിയാണോ are you all shy I have a great day at school wow great Abhinay yes and then you can unmute and speak okay yes tell me ഇല്ല എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ഞാൻ വായിൽ കോലിട്ട് കിള്ളിയാലും ഇല്ല എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു അല്ലേ
Just normal.
what is it
It was normal.
it was normal okay for Vinay it was normal it's okay at least normal it is right okay so what I'm here for today what class is this may I know oh
Max.
what is the purpose yeah it's a max class yes so what is the purpose of today's class what is the purpose of this day's class this is actually a demo session or a trial session okay so this like you will get an idea on how 90 plus double power model tuition works here. All right. So before we begin today's class, I'll just give you the highlights of our 90 plus double power model tuition. Okay. So this model is actually designed for you to learn the concepts completely, clearly, and understand the topics very clearly so that you can score higher marks for your examination. Okay. So that's the purpose of this model of tuition. And about today's, before going to today's session, let me tell you what happens during these 90 plus tuition days. Okay. So, on the very first day of your chapter, that is on the day one, you'll be learning the concepts in a highly interactive way. Okay? So, on day one, you learn the concepts very clearly in a highly interactive way. And on that day, you can ask questions, you can clear all your doubts freely. And it's an interactive session. So, I like participate actively in that session. Okay? And that happens on day one. That's the first power. And on the second day, the very next day, you have to come prepared for the session because I'll be asking you questions to each one of you and I'll be making you to write down the answers. Okay. So, what is the advantage is that you have revised your topics, you're writing down the answers. So, this helps you to improve your writing practice and also your memory power, your concentration, and also your examination confidence. Okay. Are you all clear? Yes. So that happens on day two. And that day, like the day where you are performing the questions is called workout session. Am I clear? So that is basically what happens at 90 plus during the tuition days. And today, about today's session, this is a very short session, just for 1 hour from 6:30 to 7:30. Okay. Just for 1 hour. And during this session, it's actually divided into two parts. Okay. The first 30 minutes is actually for, I'm sorry, the first 30 minutes is actually for learning the concepts, just like for in our day one. Okay. And the next 30 minutes is actually for you to do the questions, just like in our day two. That's where we do the workout session. Am I clear on what happens today? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. Thank you. So, shall we then begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Shivada has joined now. Have you? Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we were just giving an like introduction or instruction about how a 90 plus double power tuition works. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So yes. Once again, somebody has sent me a text. One second. Yeah. So all of you, have you all started your like ninth standard max portions at your school? Yes.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
begin. Yes. So like, where are you all right now? Your current status? Which chapter?
Coordinate geometry.
Coordinate geometry. Okay, so Shivada is following the old textbook, old NCRT
Yes,
textbook.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right, all right. So Lakshmi has not yet started. All right, Abhinay, I'm not very good. Okay, it's okay, Abhinay. Today's session, let's try. Okay, this is just anyway a demo session, so you can see how 90 plus, like how good is 90 plus. Okay, and if you don't understand, if anybody is not understanding clearly any concepts, ask me right away. All right? Don't hesitate. Even if it's a very silly doubt, don't hesitate. All right? Okay. So moving on to our chapter, that is Introduction to Linear Polynomials. What is basically a polynomial? May I know? You might have learned about polynomial in your 8th standard, I guess. At least just a word, name, probably. Those who are following the old text. Am I not audible? May I know?
Algebraic expressions.
Algebraic expressions. Yes, very good. Polynomials are a kind of algebraic expressions. Very good. Now, basically, what do you mean by algebraic expressions? What's basically an algebraic expression? Those expressions which contain, what all do they contain? Variables, constants, and mathematical operations. Am I right? Yes, algebraic expressions are basically the expressions which contain variables, constants, and mathematical operations. So let's just see an example over here. Okay. So an example situation is given here. Raju went to a shop where there were sealed boxes of different colors on sale. The shop owner told him that the red boxes have 4 pens each and the blue boxes have 5 pencils each. Now, if Raju bought X red boxes and Y blue boxes, how can he quickly figure out the total quantity of pens and pencils? Also, if he got 3 extra pens free, how many pens and pencils did he get all together? Okay. So did you all understand the situation? So the, like Raju went to a shop and there he was like there was a sale of sealed boxes of different colors. Okay. So in the red box there are 4 pens and the blue boxes have 5 pencils. Okay. Now Raju bought four like X red boxes of such kind and Y blue boxes of such kind. X and Y stand for some unknown number. Okay. Now how can he quickly figure out the total quantity of pens and pencils there? So we are asked what is the total quantity of pens and pencils that he have bought each? And also at the end he gets 3 extra pens free. So how many pens and pencils did he get all together? Okay. So let's just consider. Here it said that he bought X red boxes and Y blue boxes. Right? In single box, how many pens are there in a single red box?
So,
Yes, 4 pens, right? One red box contains 4 pens. So, how many pens would X red boxes contain? One red box contains 4 pens. There are X number of red boxes. So how many pens will be there? 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many X boxes would be there? That many fours, right? Which means X times 4. X into 4 means it's 4X. Am I clear? So totally X red boxes will have total 4X number of pens. Okay? Clear all of you? So one red box contains 4 pens. So if there are X red boxes that he bought, he'll contain all the X boxes will contain totally 4X or X times 4 pens. That is 4X pens. Okay? Similarly, one blue box contains how many pencils? According to the question,
5 pencil.
5 pencils. Yes. So how many pencils will Y blue boxes contain?
5y.
5Y pencils. Very good. Are you all clear now? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So the total number of pens that he has is 4X. The total number of pencils he has is 5Y. Okay. Now, also he got 3 more extra pens. So to this 4X pens, he got 3 more. So now the total number of pens is 4X plus 3. Correct? Total pens, after 3 more extra pens are added for free, he got totally 4X plus 3 pens. Am I correct? Yes. Now, how many pencils and pens together he got now? Number of pens that he has is 4X plus 3. Number of pencils is 5Y. So the total number of pens and pencils is how much?
4x plus 3 plus 5y.
Very good. Yes. Total number of pens and pencils is equal to 4X plus 3 plus 5Y. Or if we just arrange it, like keeping the constant at the last, it is 4X plus 5Y plus 3. So he got altogether 4X plus 5Y plus 3 number of pens and pencils. Are you all clear how we got this expression? Okay? All right. So, yeah, that's what is given here. So, we got an algebraic expression. We got that number in terms of algebraic expression, right? Now, let's see what are these, each of the terms there. Okay. So, in that algebraic expression, the algebraic expression was 4X plus 5Y plus 3. So, here, each of these, that is 4X, 5Y, and 3. Each of these are called terms of that expression. Okay. So these are like separated by plus here. Suppose if it was a minus as well, for example, if it was 4x plus 5y, some random expression, 4x plus 5y minus 3. Here the terms would be 4x, 5y and minus 3. Okay. Here when you have a minus there, you have to tell the minus along with it. Am I clear, all of you? Okay. So the terms which are separated by plus or minus, like the parts of this algebraic expression which are separated by a plus or a minus are called terms of that expression. And then x and y. These x and y are called letter numbers or variables. Okay. Because they are the unknown values there. They are called letter numbers or variables. Now, the numbers 4 and 5 are called coefficients of x and y respectively. That is, coefficients means it is the number attached to the variable. Okay. So here, the number attached to x is 4. So we say that coefficient of x is 4. So then what is the coefficient of y in this expression?
5.
5. Very good. So the number attached to the variable is called the coefficient. So the coefficient of x is 4 and the coefficient of y here is 5. Okay. And the constant here is 3. All right.
Yes.
So are you clear with this slide? Okay. So then moving on to the next. Now we said about variables, right? So there are some algebraic expressions. Now, in that expression, how many variables did you have in that expression? That particular expression that we just saw. How many variables were there?
2 variable.
Two variables, that is x and y, right? There were two kinds of variables. Now, there are some algebraic expressions wherein you will be having only a single variable and its powers. There are some possible expressions wherein the variables could get some powers. For example, 3x square plus 5y plus 2. Here you can see that the variable has got some power there, right? So such kind of
Yes.
algebraic expressions are also possible. Okay,
Okay.
all right. So then here you can see that, there are some algebraic expressions which has only one variable and its powers. Such variables or such expressions are called one variable polynomials, univariate polynomials, or simply polynomials. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. So the algebraic expression which contains only one variable. That is, for example, 3x square plus 2x plus 4. Here you have only, like, though there are two in numbers, x, there are two in numbers, but there is only one kind of variable which is only x there, right? That's the meaning of single or like one variable polynomial or a polynomial. Okay? Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
All right. So now we are going on to a new terminology which is called degree. Okay? So a degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable in a polynomial. So as I said, in a polynomial, you can have any number of variables, right? So now we are only considering the polynomials which has only one type of variable, either x, either y, or any other letters. That's it. Okay. Now, as I said, these variables could have some powers there. Okay. So the highest power among them is called the degree. Okay. For example, here you have a polynomial here, 5y cube plus y square plus 2y minus 1. Now, y has different powers here. 3, 2, it's 1 here. Which among them is the greatest power?
3.
3.
3. 3. Yes. Which means the degree of this given variable is 3. Okay. So a polynomial whose degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial. Are you all clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if there are polynomials with degree 2, here you have x, like a polynomial in variable x, and there are powers 2 and 1 here, but the highest power is 2 here, which means the degree is
2.
2.
2.
So such a variable or such a polynomial is called quadratic.
Quadratic.
Yes, very good. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you have another polynomial here, 3z plus 7. Z has the power 1 here, right? Or the only power there is 1. So the highest power can also be said as
1.
1. Yes. The degree is 1. So the polynomial is called the linear polynomial.
Polynomials.
1.
Linear.
Linear. Now, the constant, if there is a constant called 8, okay, that's also polynomial, but with degree 0.
Constant.
Yes, a constant polynomial is a polynomial with degree 0. Am I clear? Why? Because it could
Yes,
be
ma'am.
written as 8x raised to 0 or 8y raised to 0, right? So the degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
All right. Now, moving on to the next. Let's learn more about linear polynomials as the name suggests of this chapter. So, for example, let's consider the square, okay? And the side of the square is x. How do we find the perimeter of a square? What's the formula
4x.
to find the perimeter of a square?
4x.
Yeah, what is the formula to find the perimeter of a square? The general form. 4 into?
4A.
Yes, 4 into side. Yes, very good. So since the side is x here, the perimeter is 4x. Okay, are you clear? Now this 4x is called a linear polynomial. Why? You can see that the variable is x there and its power is 1, which means the degree is 1 there for for that polynomial. So since the degree is 1 there, it's called a linear polynomial. Am I clear, all of you?
Linear polynomial.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. Now, let's consider next situation. Chess club charges a joining fee of rupees 200 plus rupees 50 for every match played. The following table shows the amount a player will have to pay as the number of matches varies. Okay. So you can see here that here you have two rows here. The first row shows the number of matches played and the amount paid corresponding to each of the matches played. Okay. What was condition told? There is fixed joining fee of 200, right?
Right.
Plus, for each match played, you will have to pay 50 rupees. Okay. So, anyways, how many matches you play, the 200 is fixed. Okay. So, let's consider if you're playing only one match. Anyways, 200 is fixed plus only one match is played. So, how many 50 rupees should be added?
1.
1. So, 200 plus 50, the amount paid is 250. Okay. Now, let's take the next case. Now,
Okay.
again, fixed charge. Yes. Now, the fixed charge is again 200 plus. Now, the two games are played there. So, how many 50 rupees should be played? I mean, given
2.
2
Two.
50s. Yes. That is 200 plus 50 plus 50. That is 200 plus 2 into
100.
50. Yes. That is 200 plus 100. That is
300.
300. And it goes on. Am I clear?
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
generally, yes, if I say that if we have played M games, how could we say that? 200 is a fixed amount plus how many 50s now?
50 M.
M
number of
M
50.
yes, very good. M number of 50s. So M times 50 or 50M. Am I clear? That's a general form of the amount paid for how many ever games played. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So the general form that we got here is 200 plus 50m. Now this is as well a linear polynomial because we have a variable m here. Its power is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now, as you can see here, the amount paid by a player is increasing by rupees 50 for every additional match is there. Right. So such a pattern is called as linear
Linear
pattern. Okay, because it's
pattern.
increasing linearly 50 as increasing by 50 50 50 each. So that pattern is called linear pattern. And when we equate such a linear polynomial in one variable to a constant, it's called a linear equation. That is, here you have 200 plus 50m as the linear equation, linear expression, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now equate this to a constant. For example, if the amount paid is 450, right? 200 plus 50m is the general form. Now, if we equate it to a 450 rupees there, this is called a linear equation. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, let's see the next part. Yes. So now, actually, these polynomials can be thought of as output process. Just think of it as a machine. Okay, you're giving some values and then you're obtaining the values. So this polynomials is actually something like that. Okay, for example, having a polynomial of the form 2x plus 3. Okay, now if you as you give each value for x, you get the corresponding value for the entire 2x plus 3, right? For example, if we give x is equal to 0, what will be the value of 2x plus 3? For x, you are giving the value as 0. So it is 2 into 0
Can
plus.
you tell me one more?
Which one?
The question right now we're taking.
Yeah, it's not actually the question. We are just saying that polynomials is nothing but just consider it to be a machine where you give the input and then take out the output. Okay? I'm
Okay.
sorry. Yes. So just consider you have a polynomial 2x plus 3. Okay. So for each value that you give for x, you'll get a value for the entire 2x plus 3. That is, for example, you give x is equal to 0, you give the value of x as 0 here for this x. So it's 2 into 0 plus 3. That is 2 into 0 is 0 plus
0.
3. Yes. So what do you get the entire value now? 0 plus 3. Now it is
3.
3. So you got the value of 2x plus 3 as 3. Correct? So you gave an input of 0 there. You got the output as 3 there. So that's how you find the value of a polynomial. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Or no? No? Or yes? What is it?
No.
No. Okay. See, if you are having a polynomial, just the same, 2x plus 3. Now, Nakshatra told me you didn't understand, right? Nakshatra? Isn't that Nakshatra? Who told me that you didn't understand now?
Ma'am, Veda.
Veda. Okay. See, we are given a polynomial 2x plus 3. And you are asked to find the value of that polynomial when x is equal to 1. So what you have to do is, you give that value of x into that polynomial. Am I clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what would it be? So it is 2 into, instead of x you are giving 1. So 2 into 1 plus 3. So 2 into 1 is 2
2,
plus
3.
3. So what is 2 plus 3 now?
5.
5. So you got the value of the polynomial 2x plus 3 as 5 at x equal to 1. Right? Because in that polynomial, you gave the value for x as 1 and you got that 2 into 1 plus 3 as 5. So the value of that polynomial at x equal to 1 is 5. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. So you have given the input of 1 there and you got the output 5 there. That's it. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, once again. Okay. So let's try one question here. Okay. So the sum of two numbers is 64. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are the two numbers? Okay. So there are two numbers and the sum of them is 64. And we are given that there's a hint given. So one number is 10 more than the other, which means there is a smaller number and the bigger number is 10 more than the other one. Clear? So now let us give, since we don't know what are these numbers, we just assume it. Okay, we just assume some value, some variable for it. So let's take the smaller number there as x. Then according to the question, what is the larger number?
10 more than x.
Yes, it is 10 more than x, which means it's x plus 10. Clear? Whatever is a smaller value, I mean, the larger value is actually the like 10 more than whatever is a smaller value. So x plus 10. Then, according to the question, sum of the two numbers is x64. So the smaller number is x, larger number is x plus 10. Sum of these two is equal to 64, which means x plus 10 is equal to
64.
64. Yes. Now, x plus x. How much is x plus x?
2x.
2x.
Ah,
2x plus 10 equal to 64. Now, how do we solve now? What do you have to do the next step? You have learned this already.
Transversal or something.
Transposition. Very good. We transpose. Which do you transpose first?
That 10 turns to
Yes.
minus.
Yes, very good. You transpose the plus 10 here to the other side. So when you transpose the plus 10 to the other side, it becomes
Minus.
minus 10. Yes. So what is 64 minus 10?
54.
54. Yes. You got 2x is equal to 54. Now what do you have to do the next step?
X is equal
That multiplication turns to division.
X is
Yes.
equal to 54.
54 by 2. Very good. Which means you transpose a 2 here to the other side. 2 is multiplied here. So on the other side, it would be
Division.
divided. Very good. So 54 by 2. 54 by 2 is
27.
27. Yes. Very good. So we got the smaller number as 27. Right? So the larger number would be
37.
37. So we took that. Larger number is x plus 10. We got x as 27. Larger number is x plus 10. Which is 10 plus 10. That is 37. Are you all clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So then, let's go on for the workout session. Okay. So as I told you, this workout session usually happens on the second day. Okay. So as it happens on the second day, you will be having enough time to practice and just learn the concepts well. Right. So now, since we have just learned the concepts, some of you might not be even clear. It's okay. Just let me know wherever you are not clear, wherever you are getting stuck, or even if you are not getting the correct answer, it's totally okay. Okay, just try all of you. All right. And once again, I'm reminding all of you to please turn your camera on. Okay. Only 2 people have turned the camera on here. Okay. So still nobody's ready to turn the camera on. Okay. Yes. So that's about the workout session. So I'll give chance to each one of you. Nobody should call out the answers. Okay. Okay. I have to give chance to all of you here. How many are here? 21 of you are here. So I have to give chance to all the 21 of you. Okay. So don't be disappointed that I didn't give you a chance yet. Even if you are not getting a chance in between, just remind me. Okay. Yes. So moving on to the question. The first question. Find the degrees of the following polynomials. So you can recall what is a degree and you can find the degree of each of the following polynomials here. And all of you can give me the answer in the chat box. Meanwhile, I'll ask each one of you. I'll give chance to each one of you. Okay. Spice? Is Spice there? Abhinay? Can you say? Abhinay? Where is Abhinay? Yes, Abhinay. Which one did you say to say once more? Was that the last question? Yes. Okay. Do one thing. Could you stay back at the end of just for 2 or 3 minutes? I'll explain it once again. Okay. Yeah. So yes, the first question's answer.
Linear.
Is it yes? I'll ask. Okay. I'll give chance. Don't worry. I'll give chance. Okay. So face or face? No. Brian Anto? No. Gayatri? No. Nobody's here. Manha Meherin?
2.
Okay. For the first one, it's 2. So if the degree is 2, what is that polynomial called?
Quadrant.
What is that, Manha?
Yeah.
I didn't hear you. Could you come again?
Is it quadrant?
It's not quadrant. Closer.
Mhm.
Okay, it's okay. Just try. Okay. And Adrika.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that polynomial with degree 2 called?
Quadric.
What is that, Adrika?
Quadric polynomial.
Could you come again?
Quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial. Very good. Yes. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So here, are you all clear with this question? May I know?
Yes.
Yes. See, here, this given polynomial has the highest power as 2, which means the degree is 2. And you know that the polynomial with degree 2 is called the quadratic polynomial. So, yes. Now, moving on to the next question. Vaishnav. Is Vaishnav here?
Yes, sir.
What is the degree of that given polynomial?
3.
3. Okay. So, what is that polynomial whose degree 3 is called? Polynomial whose degree 3 is called? Okay. So, I'll give chance to others now then. Harinandan. No. Vaiga. Are you all just, it's, see, if you're not knowing to answer also, just let me know. Okay? Don't sit silently. All right. So that I can know if you have understood or not, if I have to just give some special attention.
Teacher, I can say
Who is that? Mohammed Rayan. Okay, tell me.
cubic polynomial.
Cubic polynomial. Very good. So a polynomial whose degree 3 is, whose degree is 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Yes, very good. Now, next question. Aya Fatima? Yeah, very good, Gayatri. Correct. What about others? Why aren't you all giving the answers in chat box? Come on. Abel Binoy. No. Lakshmi. Nobody's here or what? Okay. Om Krish.
Linear polynomial.
Linear polynomial. Okay. So you say that the degree is 1 there. Okay. Just let me know. Hmm. That's it? You're finalizing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All right. So now Vaishnav, I called Vaishnav before.
Adila.
Vinaya Lakshmi. Vinaya is so scared, I guess. Tell me.
I think it's linear.
Linear. Okay. Okay. So then the degree is 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Veda.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the third one? What do you see?
I think it's degree 1 linear polynomial.
Okay. So is there anybody who has got a different answer for this?
It is constant.
Very good.
Zero.
It's a 0. Yes. Very good. So it's a constant very good, all of you. It's a constant polynomial and its degree is 0, right? We don't have any variable there. Correct?
Yes, yes,
Yes. If we had any variable like x or y or z or anything, and if it's like, if there was a variable, we could have said that its power is 1. It's a linear polynomial. But here, do we have any variable there? We just have a constant there. Correct? So it's
yes,
called a, yes, it's called a constant polynomial. Am I clear, all of you?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so what about the next one? Yeah, very good. So Gayatri, tell me, you can tell it out loud.
1.
1, and it's called a
Linear polynomial. Cubic polynomial.
Linear polynomial.
linear polynomial. Very good. Gayatri said correctly first, then what happened? Cubic is what? When the degree is 3. Okay? When the degree is 1, it's called a linear polynomial. Are you all clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let's move into the next question. Now, what are the coefficients of x squared and x cube in the polynomial, in the given polynomial x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 7? Okay, I'll give chance to Shivada. Tell
Ma'am,
me
can
what's
I
the
explain the
coefficient of,
question once more?
yes. You remember what do you mean by coefficient?
The values means the number.
Okay. Yeah. So it's a number that you want. So what is the coefficient of x square in the given polynomial?
Mm,
Let's try. If you don't know also, it's okay. Just let me know and then I'll explain at the end.
no, ma'am, I can't understand it.
Okay, then it's okay. All right. Let me see if there is anybody who has an answer and then I'll explain. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting some answer, I guess. Okay. So is there anybody who didn't get a chance yet? Nakshatra.
Ma'am, can I tell once more?
Yes. Tell me.
Is that 6?
Which is 6? Coefficient of x square.
Ah,
Okay. All right. Yes. It's okay, Veda. It's okay. It's all right. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes. Now, is Nakshatra here? No. Abhinay Krishna? Yes. Abhinay, could you give me the answer in the chat box? Just try. Okay. Iza? Nobody's here. Okay. So, is there anybody who didn't get a chance yet? Yet? At least once? Anybody here? Anybody? No? Yeah. Yes, Nakshatra. Are you saying something, Nakshatra? Yes, I can't hear. Okay. I'm just, I can't hear anything. It's not my problem, right? Is anybody hearing what Nakshatra is trying to say?
no, ma'am.
No, okay. So Nakshatra, could you give me the answer in the chat box? Nakshatra is unmuted, but not I can't hear anything. Maybe some technical issue with mic. Okay. So anybody who didn't get a chance yet, may I know? No, I guess. Okay. So
What?
Sivat. Yes, Nakshatra. Tell me. Heard a voice now. Had a network issue. Okay, so Shivada said that the coefficient of x square here is 6. Right? Yeah, very good. Now, what is the coefficient of x cube then?
3.
Think again.
Negative
I forgot to
10.
say, yeah, I forgot to say that as well. When you're saying the coefficient, when if it's a negative term there, okay, the term entirely here is a negative, right? Minus 3x cube, correct? So the coefficient there would be minus 3. Am I clear?
Yes.
You have to say with the sign. Okay?
Yes.
Are you all clear? Yes. So all of you understood what's a coefficient, right? Coefficient is the number which is attached to x square and x cube. So the number attached to x square here is 6 and the number which is attached to x cube here is minus 3. Okay, ready? Okay then. Next question. What is the coefficient of z in the polynomial? Okay, all of you try. Give me the answer in the chat box. Okay, meanwhile, I'll ask each one of you. So, Muhammad Safan. I didn't call Muhammad Safan, I guess. Is Muhammad Safan here? Vaiga Viju? No. There are many people who are not here. Very good, Gayatri. Adrika, very good. Lakshmi and Vaishnav, could you try again? We are asked for the coefficient of z, just z, nothing else. So think again and answer. Mohammed Safan also could try again. We are asked for the coefficient of just the z there. Or yeah, very good, Om. Correct. Om Krishna is correct. I mean, Om Krish is correct. Lakshmi and Vaishnav also could try again once again. Anybody who is ready with an answer? Muhammad Ryan? What do you
Ma'am,
say?
that 0.
0. Very good. Why is it 0, all of you? See, you have 4z cube here plus 5z square here. But is there any term with just z here? Is there any term there?
No.
No. Right? You don't have a term which has z there. Correct? So we can just say that it's 0z. And then you can continue minus 11. Okay? So the coefficient of z here is 0. There is no necessity of writing it down here like this. You can otherwise also say that since there is no z term, okay, since there is no z term in the polynomial, we can say that coefficient, it's okay, it's all right. No need to ask sorry for it. I know that it's not clear. Like most of you might be a bit confused in between. It's okay. So yeah, coefficient of z is equal to 0. Okay, all of you clear?
Yes.
All right. Now, moving on to the next question. What is the constant term of the given polynomial? 9x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 10. Okay, read the question well. We are asked about the constant term. Very good, Adrika, correct. Very good, Vaiga, correct. Vaishnav, okay. I guess you missed a digit there. Gayatri and Vinaya, how did I say to represent the term? With sign, right? Yeah, Shivada, very good. Vaishnav, very good. Manha, very good. Gayatri, very good. Correct? So you have a constant term here, but whenever you're saying for a term, you have to give the sign as well there. Whatever is the sign there. Brian and to no. Isn't it variable for that whatever you have given? See again. Only just the constant. I've almost said the answer now. So yes. Anybody who can say the answer out loud for everyone?
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Very good. It's okay when it's all right. Yes. So here the constant term is minus 10. The term here, see, every other term has the variable x here with it, right? So the constant term here is minus 10. You have to take the sign along with it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Next one. Find the value of the linear polynomial 5x minus 3 if x is equal to 0. Second part, x is equal to minus 1. And the third part, x is equal to 2 for each of the cases. Okay? So what you have to do is, first, you have to find the value of 5x minus 3 when x is equal to 0. Second case, find the value of that polynomial when x is equal to minus 1. Third case, when x is equal to 2. Abhinay, you're almost correct. A slight prashnam. Almost it's correct. Something is missing. That's it. See again. Yeah, Muhammad Safan, correct. Adrika, Vaiga. Could try that first question once again. Om Krish, very good. Brian Anto, very good. Abhinay, once again. Could you try? Shivada could try once again. We are giving x equal to 0. Right? Yes. Lakshmi could also try once again. Vaishnav and Gayatri, very good. Vinaya Lakshmi, very good. If the answer for the next one, Vaishnav is correct. Yes. And yeah, for the third one also, Vaishnav is correct. Very good. Manha, you could check the answer for the second one. Okay? Others are correct. Atrika could check the answer once again. Shivada, once again, you can check the answer. Okay. So who is ready to give me the answer out loud? Volunteer, please.
-3.
Ah, very good. How did you get -3 there? What is the step?
5 into 0 -3 is equal to
0 minus 3. That is -3. Very good. So what we have to do here, we are asked to find the value of this polynomial when x is given a value as 0. So you have to substitute x as 0 there. So what would that polynomial now be? 5 into 0 minus 3. Now 5 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 is -3. Okay. Now, ayo. Nobody saw the answer, right? I suppose no. Okay. Now the next one. Second part. X is equal to -1. So what is the answer? Yeah, very good. Vinaya, very good. Om Krish, very good. Shivada, very good. Gayatri, very good. Vinaya, got that wrong. Vinaya, could you try again? That second one. Third one is correct. Second one. Okay. So somebody voluntarily please give me the answer for the second one.
-8.
-8. Yes. How did you get -8 there? Yes, Vaishnav? Yeah, how did you get -8 there? Come on.
-1 into -5 is equal to -5.
Ah,
-5 minus 3 is equal to -8.
yeah. So once again, yes, you have 5x minus 3 there. So since you are substituting the value for x as -1, it's 5 into -1 minus 3. 5 into -1 is -5. -5 minus 3 is -8. Yeah, very good. Okay, so next one, almost all of you are getting the correct answers. Very good. Okay, so next one. Who will voluntarily give me the answer for the next question? Third one.
7.
Yeah, 7. Very good. How do you get 7? Which step, Shivada?
5 into 2 minus 3. 10 minus 3 equal to 7.
Very good. Yes. So 5 into, instead of x, you're giving the value as 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Yes. Are you all clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So moving on to the next question. If the breadth of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and the length is x centimeter, write the expression for the area of a rectangle. And the second part of the question, what is the area for x is equal to 5 centimeter? Okay. So all of you try and give me the answer in the chat box. For the first part first. The first part of the question is asked, what is the expression for the area of a rectangle? Okay. Yes. Mm, not really, Vaishnav. See what is the question? What is the area for x is equal to 5? Right? So the first part of your answer is correct actually. You need not want that second part. Clear? Brian Anto, very good. Brian Anto, could you give me the expression for area of the rectangle here before calculation? Yes. So who is ready to give me the answer now? Who is ready? Yes, Vaishnav, correct. Like that's actually the final answer. Very good. First part of the question, we want the expression for that. Expression means the algebraic expression.
13 into x.
Yeah, very good. Correct. So how do you do that, Brian? Could you give me the step for that? First, let's write whatever is given, okay? One second. So breadth is given as 13 centimeter and length is given as x centimeter. Yes, Brian, continue.
X is equal to 5.
Okay, x is equal to 5, but before that, how do you get that expression?
13 into x.
How do you get that expression? I'm asking for the steps there.
L into b.
Very good. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B, length into breadth. Length is given as X, breadth is given as
13.
13. Very good. So it is 13x. So this is the expression for area, 13x. Are you all clear? Expression means the expression in terms of a variable and constants and all. Okay? Clear? So area, you can now write that expression. Therefore, expression for area of the rectangle is equal to 13x centimeter square. You can give the unit as well. Okay. Now, since the expression for finding the area is 13x and you're given that what is the area for x is equal to 5. So how should you proceed now?
13 into 5.
Very good. So in the expression for area, give the value of x as 5. So 13 into 5. And 13 into 5 is? Very good,
62.
Shibata.
65.
65. Very good. 65 centimeter square. Are you all clear?
Yes.
Yes. It's easy, right? All of you?
Yes.
Yes. So, do you all remember what we learned today? Yes. And one more question. What is the degree of the polynomial 4?
0.
0.
0. Very good. And it's called
Constant.
Constant.
constant
Constant.
polynomial. Yes. I was just asking so that many of you made a mistake there. So that, yes, very, very good. Constant. Yes. Okay. So, any doubts regarding whatever we have learned today?
No.
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 No,
One
ma'am.
second. No. No. So we have completed almost all the questions, I guess. Yeah. So remember everything, right? What is a degree called? Like, what do you mean by a degree?
Highest
The
power
highest
of a
Highest
polynomial.
value.
Yeah. Highest power of the variable. It's the power, okay? Highest power of the variable in that polynomial. Very good. And then we learned about when the degree is 1, it's called a
Linear.
linear. When the
Linear.
degree is 2, it's called
Quadrat.
Quadratical.
Quadratic.
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 Yes. And when the power, degree is 3, it's called?
Cubic.
Cubic.
Cubic
Yes,
polynomial.
cubic polynomial. Very good. Okay, so yeah, linear polynomial, you understood how to form a like for expression like this, right? When you're given such a condition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what did we learn then? About giving the values. To find the value of a polynomial, when you are given the value of x, instead of x, you give that value and then find the value of that polynomial. Okay. So everything is clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So how was the class? Like, did you all understand whatever I have just told you,
Yeah.
explained you? Okay. So yes. So will you be all there for the regular sessions then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So hoping you all to see for the regular sessions. And then bye then. Let's wind up.
Yes.
One more thing. Those who have doubts, please stay back. Abhinay, you're there, right? Please stay back, okay? Those who asked me doubts, those who had a doubt, please stay back and all others can leave. Okay? Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Good
Bye,
night.
ma'am.
Bye bye. Okay. Bye. Good night. Yes, Abhinay. What all were your doubts, Abhinay? Last question. Le. Bye, Lakshmi. Bye. Yes. Abhinay, wasn't this your doubt? This question? Okay. So, what is the question given? Abhinay, which language are you comfortable in? English or Malayalam or both? Both. Okay. Okay. So I'll explain it in English. If you are not understanding still, I'll go with Malayalam. Okay. Okay. So the question is given that sum of two numbers is 64. We don't know what the numbers are, but we are given a hint regarding the numbers that one of the numbers is 10 more than the other. Okay. So one among those numbers is 10 more than the other number, which means since that is 10 more than the other number, the other one is a smaller number, and whatever is 10 more than the other number is a larger number. Right, Abhinay? Is it clear till there? Yes. Okay. So let's take that two of the numbers in terms of x. Okay. So if the smaller number, we are taking the smaller number as x, we know that the larger number is 10 more than the smaller number. Right? Which means if whatever is a smaller number, 10 more than that, which means it's x plus 10. Okay. So the larger number is x plus 10, smaller number is x. Is it clear till there? Yes. Okay. Now, let's see what is given in the question. We are given that sum of the two numbers is 64. So we have taken that the one number is x and the larger number is x plus 10. Their sum, what do you mean by sum? You have to add the two numbers. So when you add them, the answer is 64. So the smaller number is x plus, now the larger number is x plus 10. When you add those two numbers, you get 64. Okay? फिर okay now? Okay. Now, we we know that when there is a variable, you can only add between the variables. Right? So we have x and x here. X plus x is 2x. So 2x plus 10 is equal to 64. Now, in our previous classes, we have learned a method called transposing. Okay? Transposition means you have to transpose a number to the other side. You're isolating x there basically because the unknown value here is x. So in order to find x there, you are taking all the other numbers there to the other side. So first we take plus, if there is a plus 10 or plus 20 or whatever is like plus something, we take that first. Or if there is a minus or something, that also is taken to the other side. So since we have a plus 10 here, we take it to the other side. So when we take it to the other side, it becomes the opposite sign. In this side, it is positive 10. On the other side, it would be negative 10. So 2x is equal to 64 minus 10, which means 2x is equal to 64 minus 10 is 54. Now you have a 2 again here with x. We only want x there. 2 is multiplied with the x. So when we transpose or take it to the other side of the equal to sign, it will be divided. The opposite operation will be performed. So x is equal to 54 divided by 2, which means x is equal to 54 by 2 is 27. So x is 27. So which means the smaller number that we got is 27. Now what shall be the larger number? Larger number is given as x plus 10, right? So if x is 27, then what is x plus 10? 27 plus 10. So the larger number is 37. Is that clear, Abhinay, now? Could you once more explain the question? That are the coefficient of x square and x cube in the polynomial x raised to 4 minus. Okay. Yes. I'll explain that. And what is constant polynomial? Yes, I'll explain both of them. Okay. So Abhinay is clear, right? Okay. So moving on to the next doubt. Coefficient of, yes. Isn't this the question, Aya Fatima? So here, what do you mean by coefficient is that the number which is attached to that particular variable. Okay. So here you are asked the coefficients for x square and x cube, which means you just have to say the number which is attached to x square and x cube. Okay. So here, coefficient of x square. Find the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square means the number which is attached to x square. Here, the number attached to x square is 6. So the coefficient of x square is 6, because since it's a positive 6 plus 6 there, we just take 6 there. Or you can, it's a positive number, so it's obviously 6. Now, the coefficient of x cube. See what number is attached to x cube there. It's a 3, but there's a minus sign there. So when you're taking a coefficient there, with if there is a minus, you have to take the minus sign as well. So the coefficient of x cube is minus 3. Is it clear, Aya? May I know? Is it okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, now Veda. About constant polynomial. See, constant polynomial is nothing but if you're just given a number, okay, any number other than 0, okay, it's a constant polynomial. If you're just given a number 9, it's a constant polynomial. So here, it's just a number there. You don't have any variable there. So since there is no variable, you can actually represent it as x raised to 0. Because we know that x raised to 0 or any variable or anything raised to 0 is 1. Right? So even if you give x raised to 0 there, the value doesn't change. Right? So the constant polynomial has a degree 0. We say that the constant polynomial has a degree 0. Okay? And constant polynomial can be any number like 1 by 2, minus 3, or root 2, etc. Any number or any constant is a constant polynomial apart from 0. Am I clear, Veda?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes. So any more doubts, anyone? Anybody over here? Any doubts?
Ma'am, once more
Oh.
explain that coefficient question Z in the polynomial.
Coefficient Z. Yes. Z is also there. Yeah, I forgot about that. Sorry. See, in this question, you're given a polynomial. So may I know if there is a term with only Z? You have a Z cube here. You have a Z square. But is there a term with just Z there?
No.
No. So which means coefficient of z here is 0. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Any more doubts, anyone? Is it okay, all of you? Okay, then shall we wind up? Yes? Okay, so hoping to see you all for the regular sessions, okay? Bye. See you all. Good night.